is Camila. I make travel and geography related videos, and in this one we're zooming in on Zambia. I'm doing this alphabetically. I use the list of member states of the UN, but I choose to start at the end of the alphabet because poor Zimbabwe and Zambia always come in last. Let's zoom in! The country was earlier named Northern Rhodesia from 1911, and in 1964 it was renamed Zambia. The name derives from the river Zambezi, which may mean Grand River, which it is, it's pretty grand. Zambia ranks as number 65 population-wise, and is the 38th largest country in the world, just a little smaller than Chile. The capital's name is Lusaka, which is named after Chief Lusaka, who lived in a village where the city now lies. Other big cities are Kitwe and Ndola. Zambia borders 8 countries: Malawi, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Angola, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Tanzania, and Botswana. And we can zoom in and see that it actually borders Botswana. Let's see how long this border is. We did this in the last episode too also, but 160 approximately meters. So that's a really short border. You will find the easternmost point along the 22nd parallel east. The northernmost point is right here in Lake Tanganyika. The westernmost point will be there, and the southernmost point is here. This means that if Paraguay would lay in Africa, it would have fit south of Zambia. I like to know what the longest straight line is, so we're gonna try and draw it within Zambia. Let's try here first. Alright, we have 1291 kilometers. That's pretty long. And we can try maybe here. We had 1291. Okay, this is not longer. 1291 was the largest distance that you can go within Zambia without going into another country. So we have a new country in the lead. Zimbabwe had 850 kilometers. We're zooming in on the capital city, Lusaka. Let's see what we can find here. We have Wonder World amusement parks. Okay, let's take a look at this. There is a pool. What is this? Looks like something, maybe a slide. Is this like a Ferris wheel? We have the Grace Ministry Mission, Mozambican High Commission, Fairview College of Education, International School of Lusaka, University of Lusaka, and Lusaka City Airports. Okay, let's go try the street view in Lusaka. Let's see what place should we pick. Let's just go. Okay, we can try there. Let's see where we end up. This is pretty exciting. Alright, we are here. Okay. Is this a restaurant? Well, they're having a drink, at least. Looks like a restaurant. Oh yeah, it is a restaurant. Right in the middle of the capital city. Okay, let's try another place. I want to go into the streets of Lusaka. Okay, we could try here. In Kamwala. Okay, I guess this is the photographer. We are at a butchery and a mini mart. They have Coca-Cola advertisements. Pharmacy. Yeah, there's people here. There's some life on the street. Dirt road. Oh, hello. Guess that's the photographer's friends. Alright. Zambia shares some lakes with its neighbors. We have Lake Kariba that we talked about in the Zimbabwe episode. It is actually the world's largest human-made lake by building a dam. We have Lake Mweru that it shares with the Democratic Republic of the Congo. We have Lake Tanganyika that it shares with Tanzania and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. And this little lake that lies entirely within Zambia. It's called Lake Bangwelu. Rivers. Major rivers include the Zambezi that actually forms the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe all the way. We have the Luangwa River. You can see it's meandering through the landscape. And there is the Kafu River. Wow, just look at this landscape. The river looks black and the surroundings are so green. That's pretty cool. The tallest point of Zambia is Mafinga Central at 2,329 meters above sea level, or 7,640 feet. And this top actually lies on the border with Malawi. Time for random street view. Alright, let's see. Okay, I can see there's a kind of a mountain chain going here, and I want to see a place along this chain. Let's try this one. Okay, this is so exciting. Ooh, okay. Where? Wow, okay. Nice. This is also a restaurant. Look at those colors though, it's so nice and yellow. This is really beautiful. Wow. There's a fireplace, you can sit around here with your friends. This is really romantic, guys. Binoculars. Wonder if you can see animals from here, maybe. And I think it's really interesting to see what is on the other side of Zambia. So to know what is on the other side of the earth from Zambia, I'm just going to point this inside the capital city, Lusaka. The Zimbabwe episode, it became pretty close to Hawaii, and since Zambia and Zimbabwe are close to each other, I expect the point to be close to Hawaii again. So let's see, okay, I'm just gonna find the point that is the furthest away from Lusaka. Okay, that should be here, and we are close to Hawaii again. Here's Hawaii. So if you're in Zambia and you want to get furthest away from Zambia as possible, or at least the capital city, the closest country you will be at is actually United States. Would I want to visit? Yes, of course. After my wish of a weekend in Zimbabwe at the Victoria Falls, I could cross the border into Zambia and see at what side I like the falls better. But Zambia has so much more to offer. There are so many more national parks. There are lakes, waterfalls, rivers, or an amusement park in Lusaka if you want to go to the city. Oh, and I would love to go to the town of Kazungula and being able to see 4 countries at a time. Quadrupoint border of countries, a point where 4 countries meet, does not exist, but this is the closest as it gets on the entire earth. I would love going here and see 4 countries at a time. I think you can. Let's just see what it looks like around here. So this is a place pretty close to that point where 4 countries meet, almost. So we're in the middle of the Zambezi River and it's really flat here, but maybe you could see 4 countries at a time. That'd be really cool. Those were some geographical facts on Zambia. Next out is Yemen, and we're zooming out. Thank you for watching, guys. The goal of my channel is to reach out with my videos and ultimately to get invited to film at places around the world. If you like this channel and think it has potential and you want to support me, you can do so by subscribing and sharing.